Something is shifting in how AI applications get built, and it is happening quietly, at the infrastructure level. Apple's new container machines are part of it. But the bigger story is about what it means when building AI locally becomes as easy as building anything else. Here is what is changing right now. Apple's macOS container machines, announced recently, are now gaining serious traction among developers. The Hacker News post tracking the story has nearly 900 upvotes and climbing. That is a signal, this is not a niche developer tool. It is a mainstream infrastructure shift. To understand why developers are excited, you need to understand the problem containers solve. Building and running AI models on your own machine requires a controlled environment, the right libraries, the right dependencies, complete isolation from the rest of your system. That setup has always been painful on Mac. Apple just made it effortless. But the deeper story here is about the direction of AI development overall. For the past 3 years, building serious AI applications meant cloud first, sending your data to remote servers, paying per API call, depending on an internet connection. That model is starting to crack. On-device AI is getting better fast. Models are getting smaller without losing capability. Hardware, especially Apple Silicon, is getting fast enough to run serious models locally. And now the infrastructure tooling is catching up. Containers on Mac closed the last major gap. What this means for developers is that the cost and complexity of building AI drops significantly. You can now build, test, and ship AI features without needing cloud credits, without sending sensitive data off your machine, without worrying about API rate limits. That removes massive friction from the development process. For regular users, the downstream effect is faster, cheaper, more private AI apps. When developers can build AI locally without a cloud dependency, the apps they create work offline, respond faster, and do not need to send your data anywhere. That is a better product for everyone. The bigger picture is this. The infrastructure of AI is decentralizing. A few years ago, powerful AI required massive data centers controlled by a handful of companies. Now it is moving to laptops, phones, and local machines, and the tools to build on top of it are following. That shift is accelerating right now. If you want the biggest AI stories every week without having to search, subscribe. I drop these every single day. Also, if you want to make your own professional AI voiceovers like the one in this video, try 11 Labs for free, https://try.11labs.io/emfhbfp3 Yemen, it is what I use. Want to actually grow your YouTube channel? vidIQ gives you the keywords and analytics to do it, https://vidq.com/amaster, free to start. And if you want to go deeper on AI, books, courses, tools, check out what is on Amazon, https://www.amazon.com/tag=01210521-20. I will see you in the next one.